So guys, welcome back to Codebox. Let's start the video. So we are going to solve the TCS previous year question. So it was asked in March 2025. So the problem statement is given here. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe the video. So the problem statement is we are given an integer array of length n and the two integer are x and y. For every pair of x and y, index is I and j such that I is less than j, and create a number by concatenating I and j and count how many such concatenations are fall between x and y. So does the question says? So I am going to explain you the question first with an example. So we are given an array of a length 3. So here are three elements in the array. So what we have to do? So we have to concatenate first the two now elements of the array, like 12 and 3, or 12 and 45, or 3 and 45. And after the concatenation, the integer which is created, it should be in between. If it is in between x and y, if x is 10 and y is 500, and if the integer in between x and y, then we should count, like in 12 and 3 we should count it because it is 123. It is between 10 and 500. So like that only we should count it, and if the integer is greater than the range, then we should not count it and leave it as it is. And after the loop is executed, we should print the output like this, the total number of counts. So let's go and now create a logic and code the main program. So we are going to first hard code the array. So it will be array 1. So what are the elements that we are going to? So we are going with an example only, so that the exact output is uh, shown to you. So let's start. So the 12, 3, 45. Hmm. After that, x is equals to 10, y is equals to 500. So this is the given data, and after that we will initialize our count is equals to 0. So let's see what's the, so we will remove the length of array, and after that we are going to create a for loop for I in range. So for I in range of n, for, and we are going to create another loop for j in range of I plus 1, comma n. So two loops are created. Now we are going to store uh, our number into, we should store it in integer. First we convert it in string. So ARR of 1 I plus str. So we are going to concatenate the two elements, and after that we are going to store them in a variable, and before storing we are going to again convert it into integer. And so the number is stored. So now if condition, if x is less than equals to num or less than equals to y. So if it is between x and y, then we are going to count, increase the count equals to plus 1, or else we are going to leave it as it is. And after that, print count. So guys, let's see if we are getting the output. So you can see guys, we are getting the output as 2. So we have successfully implemented our program. So now we can change our values also. So thank you and subscribe for more.